Did you know some creators are making over $20,000 per month just by posting simple AI-generated videos like this? These short, engaging clips are blowing up on Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, helping people gain millions of views and thousands of new followers without even showing their face. Want to do the same? Today, I'll show you how to create these viral videos for free using AI tools. No editing skills? No problem. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start. Let's get into it. Step 1. Generate stunning AI images with Leonardo AI. First, you need a special AI prompt, which I've provided in the video description. This template lets you create high-quality images of any animal. Just swap out the name, and you're all set. Now go to Leonardo AI and click on Image Generation. Select Phoenix 0.1 as the model. Set the style to dynamic and image dimension 2 to 3. Copy the template prompt and paste it into the prompt box. Make sure to replace the placeholder with an animal of your choice. Let's try elephant first. Click Generate, and within seconds, Leonardo AI will create 4 stunning images. Want more variety? Let's swap elephant for donkey, generate image, and download it. Now we will repeat same process to generate some more images like tiger, wolf, lion, etc. With this single template, you can create unlimited AI images of any animal while maintaining a consistent, eye-catching style. Once you've got the images you like, save them to your device. Step 2. Animate your image with Hailuo AI. Now, let's turn these static images into dynamic videos. Open Hailuo AI and click Create. Select Image to Video and upload the images you saved from Leonardo AI. In the prompt box, type Animate and click Generate. Within minutes, Hailuo AI will bring your images to life, creating smooth, eye-catching animations. Upload each image one by one, convert them into short videos, and save them to your device. Step 3. Transform your video into a masterpiece with Premiere Pro now. Let's level up the video by adding sound, music, and effects. Open Premiere Pro and import all your AI-generated videos. Add catchy background music. You can download copyright-free background music from YouTube Studio. Now it's time to add animal sound effects to make it more engaging. For free animal sound download, you can use Pixabay. Want to make it go even more viral? Use a kid's voiceover. These perform great on social media. You can also experiment with different sound effects, voiceovers, and fast-paced cuts to keep the audience hooked. Step 4. Upload and start earning. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've created an eye-catching AI-generated video that's ready to go viral. Creators are already using this exact method to rack up millions of views and even monetize through brand deals, affiliate marketing, and YouTube Shorts monetization. You could be next. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI-powered content. See you in the next video.